guys, how you all doing? If you're an old subscriber, welcome back, and if you're a new one, hi, my name is Harpreet Kaur. Please make sure to watch till the end, and if you happen to like the video, please make sure to like, comment, share and subscribe. Now without further ado, let's just get on with our video. As per the title, today's video is going to be about the Diwali lookbook. As we all know, the festive season is coming up, so I bought a couple of items from Ajio, the kurta sets from Ajio, which I'm going to show you in this video. And for that, just stick on to the video till the end. Almost all of us get excited when the festive season comes in November, October, right? But due to this coronavirus, this year we are not able to enjoy it that much. Coronavirus has literally masked our lives this year, so we cannot really enjoy the gatherings as much as we did in the past years or the year before this. However, the coronavirus couldn't stop us from doing one thing, and that is wearing good outfits this season as well. So we're gonna of course get ready, all dolled up for the season coming up. So without blabbering much and without wasting any more time, let's just get on with our outfits. So the very first outfit is this green cream kurta set. Believe me, it's so beautiful. The USP of this is definitely the palazzos. ये जो इंडी डिज़ाइन है हाथी घोड़ा वाला मेरे को हमेशा से ही पसंद रहा है. The back was also a plus point for me because I really love good back designs. And look how beautiful the set is, the embroidered kurta set. I really love the indie designs as I mentioned before. Also, since the kurta is very multicolored, so I've kept the earrings, the jewelry very minimal. So boho set that you must have seen in my Ajio haul. If not, please check it out. And the earrings are from there. So the second one has to be one of my favorites because of the color combination. Here I've kept my hair open. Also I've added golden jewelry because golden details chal rahi thi shirt pe. And I love the fabric. I got the fabric and I got it tailor made. So ये किसी online website से नहीं है, but it is, you know, tailor made. And I love how it looks, especially the dupatta. Dupatta is so beautiful. It makes the outfit look so more elegant. And the color combination, as I've told you. Here I've styled it in a bun और टिक्का के साथ, मांग टिक्का के साथ मैंने इसे स्टाइल किया है. सो हेयर आई लुक परफेक्टली जागो रेडी. कोई एक वेडिंग फंक्शन भी आ रहा है आपके यहाँ पे, तो यू नो यू कैन वेयर इट एट द संगीत नाइट इफ़ यूर अ पंजाबी फैमिली, यू नो. So yes, I feel it's so damn perfect for that as well. I'll be adding all the details in the description box below, from jewelry to shoes. Now coming to the third outfit, this is the third one. It is also tailor made. I got the fabric. तो जो फैब्रिक है आप देखिए ध्यान से, it has that more punky design, you know. I love how it looks. It's not the traditional more punky, you know, peacock color में ही नहीं है ये, but golden में है, which makes it look so wearable, right? Now I've added red colored jewelry with it. Why? Because you know it matches with my lipstick and it matches with the vibe as well. And I've added heels with it. I got it tailor made again. Bell sleeve सिलवाई है मैंने इसकी. And now I'm styling it here with the dupatta matching with the earrings. And look how beautiful it looks. If you're going to wear blue dupatta, you can add blue earrings. You can wear blue earrings. If any other color, then you can wear that color as well. So yes. The last one is literally my favorite because of the color combination, the fabric, and to the design, everything. You can see it's floral anarkali suit, floral print है इसके ऊपर, and I've styled it with white pearl juttis. इसमें भी button detailings हैं. Also the dupatta is that block print dupatta. आप इसे open करके भी ले सकते हैं, नहीं तो आप इसे folded manner पे भी ले सकते हैं. If you want to look a little more formal, so you can take it in that manner. ये थोड़ा formal look दे देता है if you're going to office and all. So yes. And coming to the jewelry part, I've added silver, not silver but कुंदन style में कुछ earrings हैं, जैसे चांद वाली types आते हैं, तो वैसे वाले earrings मैंने add किए हैं. These are big just to grab their attention, but सारी attention ये ना ले जाएं, इसलिए I've kept the color very minimal. And yes, that's about it. Also these are from Ajio. The first one was also from Ajio. Thank you all for watching this video. I hope you like this video. If you do, please make sure to hit the like button, share, comment and subscribe. Also do not forget to hit the bell icon so that you do not miss on any video. See you again next time. Till then, bye bye.